Join me as I dive into the fascinating world of Indian culture and see if it really has the power to control my wallet. Indian culture is known for its vibrant traditions, rich heritage, and a strong sense of community. From the colorful festivals to the grand weddings, there's always something happening, and it often feels like we're expected to be a part of it all. But have you ever stopped to think about how these cultural events impact our spending habits? For many of us, balancing cultural obligations with personal financial management can be a real challenge. Think about it. During festivals and celebrations, we're often expected to buy gifts, wear new clothes, and participate in various rituals, all of which can put a dent in our wallets. The pressure to keep up appearances and not feel left out can be overwhelming, leading to impulsive purchases and financial stress. This tension between cultural expectations and financial responsibility is something many of us face. Traditional Indian weddings, for instance, are grand affairs that can be incredibly expensive. The elaborate ceremonies, the exquisite decorations, and the lavish gifts, it all adds up quickly. And it's not just weddings. Festivals like Diwali and Holi also come with their own set of expenses. We feel compelled to buy new clothes, sweets, and gifts, which can be a strain on our finances. Even simple rituals like buying a new outfit for a family gathering or purchasing gifts for a friend's baby shower can add up over time. These events often lead to increased spending and financial stress, but are they really worth it? There are people who've navigated these cultural expectations while maintaining their financial health. Take someone who prioritized their spending during wedding season, for example. Instead of splurging on expensive gifts, they set a budget and stuck to it, focusing on meaningful gestures rather than pricey ones. They even managed to save some money by opting for DIY gifts and being mindful of their expenses. It's all about finding that balance and being intentional with our spending. To wrap things up, it's essential to be mindful of how Indian culture influences our spending habits. By being aware of these cultural pressures, we can make more informed decisions about our finances and find a healthy balance between tradition and financial responsibility. If you've ever struggled with the pressure to spend during cultural events, share your experiences in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tips on managing your finances during festivals and celebrations, check out our video on smart ways to save money during Indian festivals.